Hello everyone, this is going to be the Schindler elevators at the Wingate by Wyndham in Moab, Utah. You can see there are the two elevators here. Fairly new Schindler. There's the floor indicators in red. And let's go up. So here's the elevator car number 1. And right here we also have a one rear for a laundry area. You can see that, pretty big. I have a lot of laundry to do. And here's the elevator right here. And I believe these are traction elevators. So take a look at the fixtures. 1,590 kilogram, car 1 capacity. There's the indicators, kind of hard to see with the glare. Firefighter key. There are the buttons, fairly new. And we have barrel key switches. So let's start to go up to 3. And here's 3. The door timers on these are really short, so you really have to get out of the way before the door closes on you. Let's listen to that chime again. So there's the chime, and let's go back down to 2. Here's the second floor. There's the elevator. Oh, it looks like all the floors have indicators on them of where the elevators are. So we have 2 here at 2. There's the other elevator, pretty much identical except for there's no rear door. Let's see. So here's the other elevator, car number 2. Let's just go back down to 1. There's a button layout there. Also, this car has a lower capacity. It's about 450 kilograms less, probably because there's no rear door for housekeeping. This is elevator number 2. And there goes elevator number 2. So that's going to be it for this video of the Schindler elevators at the Wingate by Wyndham in Moab, Utah. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe so don't miss the full hotel room tour, which will be coming in the next few days. Link will be in the description below once it's posted. Thanks for watching, everyone.